Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what you're about to witness is pure, unfiltered automotive insanity. This isn't just a Corvette. This is a German-born, fire-breathing Frankenstein that took a slice of Americana and injected it with a syringe full of Bavarian engineering and Italian flair. Meet the unholy offspring of Chevy's legendary C1 Corvette, rebuilt, reimagined, and resurrected by the mad geniuses at Pogea Classics in Germany. That's right, Germany, where precision meets passion, and where a 1950s Corvette becomes something even Uncle Sam couldn't dream of. What started as a butchered mess of a 1958 and 1959 hybrid, doors that wouldn't close, panels with gaps wide enough to drive a Mini through, has been reborn into a 427 horsepower monster. How? With a GM LS3 6.3-liter V8 straight from muscle car heaven, packed into a reinforced chassis developed with SRIII Motorsports and the Technical University of Munich. We're talking coilovers, custom exhaust, brakes from 3 generations of Corvettes, and more American-German fusion than a bratwurst wrapped in bacon. And that paint? Oh yeah, that's not just red. That's Ferrari Rosso Corsa red, dripping in Italian attitude, paired with Audi's Ibis white for that extra Euro punch. And the leather? Lamborghini red meets Rolls-Royce white. Are you kidding me? This interior is smoother than Sinatra on a Saturday night. Want tech? We got LED taillights, digital gauges, and Apple CarPlay jammed into a dashboard that looks like it was stitched together by the gods of luxury and horsepower. It's retro, it's modern, it's totally bonkers. So, what do you call this thing? A restomod? A supercar in disguise? A FrankenVette from another dimension? Whatever it is, it's not just a car. It's a rolling declaration of war on mediocrity. And if this doesn't make your heart race, check your pulse. You might be driving a Prius.